Here is how to upload photos to a Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload photos to a Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, open Google Drive and log into your account. As you open Google Drive, you will come to a home screen like this. Now go to the files on the bottom right hand side. Then after, you can either directly upload photos to Google Drive, or you can create a particular folder and then upload photos to that specific folder. Now tap on the plus sign. If you want to upload photos directly to Google Drive, tap on upload, or if you want to create a folder, tap on folder. I have already created an example folder, so let me open that. Whether you create a folder or you want to upload photos directly to Google Drive, tap on the plus sign. Then after, you will find the upload option. Tap on upload. It will take you to your files. Now select the photos that you want to upload. Now select the photos that you want to upload to Google Drive. You can go to gallery and then select it. After you have selected the photos, tap on done. Then it will start uploading the photos to that particular folder or Google Drive. After it completes loading, you will have successfully uploaded photos to a Google Drive. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.